So let's begin our today's session on spotting errors 3. So look at this first sentence. I never considered him to be a person who would go back on his promise and then do not even apologize. What is the error in this sentence? Quick, guys. I never considered him to be a person who would go, would plus V1, correct, who would go back on his promise and then do not even apologize. See, the error is with the usage of additional auxiliary verb. See, the sentence is like this. It is which kind of sentence? It is a compound sentence. The sentence is, I never considered him to be a person who would go back on his promise. That is one clause. And another clause, I would never consider him a person who would not even apologize. Again, if you use do, who would do not, it's not giving correct sense, right? That means the usage of do is inappropriate. So we have to omit do because already would is there. So this would plus V1 would go, would not even apologize. I hope it is clear. So omit do. 2. Having finished at school, Raghu thought of going to Bombay in search some job. See, having finished. Remember, whenever sentence started with having, remember, having always followed by past participle V3, whereas after always followed by present participle V4. Both gives same meaning. So having finished at school, that is correct. Raghu, having finished is correct here. Raghu thought of going to Bombay in such some job. Is it giving sense? No, right? In such of. Here we require a preposition of. In such of some job. And one more thing is, there is an additional error here. There is one more error. Having finished at is also redundant. It is not required. You have to omit at also. Having finished school, at is not required. So it is informally used, but formally here it is an error. Okay guys, informally people are using at, but at is not required. Omit at also. Question number 3. Computer education in universities and colleges leaves much to be desired. What is the error here? Computer education in universities and colleges, additional information. Subject is computer education. Is it singular or plural? Subject is singular. So when subject is singular, verb must be singular. Right. Now leaves much to be desired. So here 2 plus be, to be desired, that is correct only there, not desired, it is desired only. Computer education is singular. So singular subject requires singular verb. So leaves is singular. Right. So what is the error here? Computer education in universities and colleges leaves much to be desired. So I told you to go with the step-by-step for spotting errors. So tense-wise, you have to check computer education in universities and colleges. The computer education is singular. We require singular verb, leaves. Right. So sentence is in present tense. Everything is present tense. Okay. Leaves much to be desired. So here leaves singular. See, in adverbs chapter we discussed when V3 and V4 act as adverbs. We know verb not only act as verb, it can also act as adjectives, it can also act as prepositions, right? It can also act as nouns in addition to verb, right? So when V3 and V4, both of them act as adjectives, to qualify them we require adverbs. So what are the adverbs we use to qualify V3? Much is the adverb, and to qualify V4, very is the adverb. So much is correct because it is qualifying desired. Much to be desired. So it is correct only. So it is qualifying decide. So more is not required, and our subject is not countable noun, and we cannot also take that way. So the sentence has no error. Make sure you understand this one. Singular subject requires singular verb, and when V3 and V4 acting as adjectives to qualify them, we require adverbs. Much is the adverb to qualify V3, very is the adverb to qualify V4. You might either tell me the whole story or at least the first half of it. What is the error here? You might either tell me the whole story or at least the first half of it. So either is there. So either is there means what is that? Correlative conjunction, right? Correlative conjunction means you must remember the 3 points which we discussed with correlative conjunctions. So what is the error here? Quick. Yes. See, either takes or, right? So here either or pair correct. Second one follow same parts of speech. So either followed by tell me, which is verb. So after or is there any verb? No. That means we require a verb after either. So here what is there? Here verb is there, but there is no verb here. So after or what is there? At least the first half of it. So we are taking the adjective there. So if you bring this either after tell me, here also you will get that adjective. So the answer is you must tell me either the whole story or at least the first half of it. I hope it is clear. Our new neighbors had been living in Arizona since 10 years before moving to their present house. What is the error here? Our new neighbors had been living in Arizona since 10 years. Here 10 years is not point of time. We are taking it as a period of time. 10 years is not point of time. It is a period of time. So we must not take since. The right preposition to use is for, because for expresses period of time. You should never look down to a man merely because he is poor. What is the error? You should never look down to a man merely because he is poor or he is poor. What is the error? The error is related to phrasal verb look down to. Look down to is not correct. So there is a phrasal verb look down on or look down upon, which means despise or neglect or dislike. So this is the right phrasal verb. So what you have to do? You have to replace to with on or upon. I hope it is clear, guys. So look down on or upon means despise, neglect, ignore, dislike. Could you like to read his speech? What is the error? Here usage of could in the sentence is inappropriate. We know could is the past form of can. So could expresses past ability and past possibility and past permission. So we are not talking about ability or past possibility. So we wanted to use would instead of could, which expresses the desire to do something. So what you have to do? Replace could with would. We know would is a past form of will. So would have two different usages. One, polite request and polite expressions. Two, past possibilities. Here we asked in a polite way. So polite request or polite expression you can take. So replace could with would. Question number 8. The officer asked the recruit which district he came from. What is the error? So asked the recruit. It's very clear the sentence is in indirect speech. In indirect speech, if there is simple past in direct speech, in indirect it becomes past perfect. Right. So here, not recruiter, it is recruit. Recruit means the person who was recruited. That is recruitee. Okay. So the officer asked the recruit, it can also be taken like that, which district he came from. See, he already asked, right? So here, past, simple past becomes past perfect. If the officer asked which district you came from, which district you came from, that means it is in past. In indirect, what it should become? Past perfect. So we should replace came with had come. Do you understand this? It is in indirect speech. In indirect, simple past becomes past perfect. So replace came with had come, not has. It should be had come, had, past perfect. The landlord could not tell which of the servant broke the glass. What is the error? So we are saying it in which of the. See, we are telling which means there are more than one, right? Then only we'll take which to indicate choice. So here it should be plural noun. Which of the servants? Because which one of you answered it correctly? That means there are many. Right. So which book do you want to read? That means there are many books here. So which of the servants? Replace servant with servants. Indian Defence Forces fought the enemy till the last soldier was standing. What is the error here? Indian Defence Forces fought Indian Defence Forces fought the enemy till the last soldier was standing. What is the error? Indian Defence Forces. The use of the word forces itself means related to defense. Generally, we use the forces. Okay, here we have adjective Indian forces. So you're not required to use defense. So omit defense because it is redundant. Forces itself means defense. Is that clear, guys? Mother does not hardly know what happened in school yesterday. Here we have yesterday. That sentence must be in past tense. Simple past is a time indicator. Does is there, which is error number 1. Not is there, hardly is there, error number 2. Hardly means semi-negative. Right, it is a negative word. Not hardly should not be used. Double negative becomes positive. So what we have to do? We have to omit hardly and replace does with did because simple past. So did plus V1. So mother did not know. Mother did not know. We cannot omit does not because if you omit does not, we require simple past. Simple past means here also we have to correct no into new. So we can't do that. Ramesh is far arrogant to learn the error of his ways. Ramesh is far arrogant to learn the error of his ways. What is the error here? I told you previously about the pairs, correlative pairs. So that to, hardly, when, scarcely when, no sooner than, right? Here, far arrogant, far is adjective, arrogant is adjective. We require an adverb. Far expresses distance. We are not talking about distance here. Here to is there. So replace far with to. To structure. Too arrogant to learn. When you have gone through my notes, give the same to me. What is the error? It's not went because have is there. So have plus V3. So V3 is gone only. Go, went, gone. So not went, it should be gone, gone only. No, when you have gone through my notes, the era is with the usage of the verb give. Here, we are not asking to give, it is my notes. Why you have to give? You have to, it is my notes, you have taken from me. You should return to me, not give. You understand that? Giving means it may not be mine. You have to return to me. Otherwise, you have to give back the same. So, replace give with return. I could scarcely think what I was saying or what was being said to me. What is the error here? I could scarcely think. Okay, could plus V1. Could think. Scarcely think. What? What I was saying or what was being said to me. What I was saying or what was being said to me, I could scarcely think. So it is not scarcely when structure. Remember guys, scarcely when is used only. Hardly when, scarcely when, no sooner than. So these structures are used when two actions take place immediately one after the other. When two actions take place immediately one after the other, only then we use these structures. That means two actions, first action, second action. See, first action generally we will write in past perfect, second action in simple past. However, we can also write in present perfect and simple present. However, there is one more way, simple, both in simple past and simple past, and we already discussed the structure in our previous classes. That is not the story here we require. So they are used only when one action has taken place immediately after the other. So here there are no such actions, no two actions taken place immediately one after the other. So what I was saying and what was told to me, to think, I am unable to think that, I scarcely think about it. So here I scarcely think what I was saying has no error. The sentence is correct as it is. Ajay glanced up at her laughing and watched her intently. What is the error? Ajay glanced up at her laughing and watched her intently. What is the error and what should be the correction? Quick. Ajay glanced up. So, okay, that is clear. Past tense, glanced up at her what? Laughing. And watched past her intently. The usage of laughing is inappropriate here. We require to use a noun form because her is acting as adjective to qualify a noun. That means here we require a noun form. The noun form for laugh is not laughing. It is laughter. The noun form for laugh is laughter. So replace laughing with laughter. I hope it is clear. The kitten sat up the glass roof and yawned and blinked its round eyes. What is the error? The error is with related to the usage of preposition. Sat up, we'll say stand up, not sat up, right? It should be sat on the glass roof. On glass roof, it sat. So we'll say stand up, not sat up. Sit on the chair, right? Sit on. So replace up with on. It was being hard to believe that my brother could be involved with anything so sinister. What is the error? It was being hard to believe that. Now, let me ask you a quick question. Is the sentence in active voice or passive voice? Is it in active voice or passive voice? Because here there is being. Being is used in passive voice. Yes or no? So here you see, it was hard to believe. Was is there, then where is main verb? If it is in passive voice, the structure should be auxiliary verb plus being plus V3. There is no V3. That means it is not in passive voice, it is in active voice. In active voice, it is inappropriate to use being. So, what you have to do? Omit that being. It was hard to believe that my brother could be involved with anything so sinister. If I had remembered this, it will have prevented some mistakes. What is the error? If I had remembered, that means it is in if clause. If plus, had plus, remembered, V3, followed by would have plus V3, right? If had plus V3, remembered this, it would have, not will have. So replace will with would. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some had greatness thrust on them. What is the error here? Some are born great. Okay, plural verb, present tense. Some achieve greatness, plural, so plural verb. And some had greatness thrust on them. It should be in present, not in past. So replace had with have. So that is a correct one. Vicky is one who always finds faults with whatever Priya does. So Vicky is one, present. Who is that? One is singular, so next verb should be singular. So here next verb is singular. Okay, who always finds what? Faults. Fault with is a correct usage. Fault is followed by with. There is fault with you. Okay, fault with. So fault with whatever Priya is singular, so does. So here it is satisfying tense and usage of subject verb, and there is no error. The sentence is correct as it is. The police officer sympathized with poor. He refused to take an action against the rich man. What is the error? Although the police officer sympathized with the poor, he refused to take an action against the rich man. What is the error and what should be the correction? Here although is there. I told you when sentence started with although, it should not take another conjunction. It should take only comma. So although, okay, the police officer sympathized with the poor. He refused to take an action against the rich man. So there are two clauses. Okay, first clause, the police officer sympathized with poor. Here, poor is an adjective. It is just a quality. It's an adjective. With the quality is sympathized or with the people of that quality? With whom do we sympathize? With the poor or the poor people? It must be the poor people. That means we learnt addition of definite article the before adjective makes it a noun. So it sympathized with the poor. Is it clear, guys? So that is the error. We no need to omit man because we are not talking about all. We are talking about only one of that. So the rich man, the man who is rich. So they the poor. So maybe the man has done something to them. So the police officer seeing that in fact, the police officer sympathized with the poor. But what he did nothing. He refused to take an action against the rich man, one particular man, not all. Is it clear? When viewed with his point of view, the entire episode assumes a different color altogether. What is the error? So, when viewed with his viewpoint is not appropriate. Will not view with somebody's viewpoint. Will view from somebody's viewpoint. View from my point. Okay. View from his point. So replace with from. Your success in the IAS examinations depends not only on what papers you have selected, but on how you have written them. What is the error? your success in the IAS examinations depends not only on what papers you have selected, but on how you have written them. See, we know immediately you could able to answer here correlative conjunction, not only but also should be there, but also is missing. You cannot take but, because but itself alone takes a contrast view. So we are not talking about contrast. It is a conjunction with pair, not only but also. Heavy rain prevented us to go to the cinema. What is the error? Heavy rain prevented us to go to the cinema. What is the error and what should be the correct part? Remember, whenever there is prevent in a sentence, this applicable for every sentence without any exception. Prevent is always followed by preposition from and a gerund, not bare infinitive or to infinitive. Heavy rain prevented us. Here what is there? To go? No. So replace the to go with from going. Prevented us from going to the cinema. So that is an error. Remember this. Prevent always followed by from and takes a gerund. If majority of the individuals in a state prospered, the state itself would prosper. Here its sentence started with if. If the sentence started with if, remember the if clause, 4 conditions. So if majority of individuals in the state prosper, here it is in which tense? Majority of individuals, plural. In a state prosper, plural verb. The state itself would prosper. See, the error is with the inappropriate tenses, right? Here would prosper is there. That means it followed by would plus V1. When it is followed by would plus V1, what should be the structure here? It should be in simple past, right? Here prosper is there. Prosper can also be acted as, prosper is not only act as noun, it can act as adjective, sometimes it act as verb. Now what is missing there? A verb is missing. If majority of individuals in a state were prosper, because we require plural, subject is plural, so we require a plural verb, were prosper, the state itself would prosper. I hope it is clear. So if class second condition, it should be the correction. 26. If motorists do not observe the traffic regulations, they will be stopped, ticketed, and how to pay a fine. Again, we have if clause here. If motorists do not observe, it is in simple present. So the next should be simple future. If clause, open condition or condition 1, do not observe the traffic regulations, okay, they will be stopped. They will be stopped. Passive voice in simple future. Ticketed, stopped, ticketed, and how to pay a fine. Why how to pay a fine? How to pay a fine is in present tense, right? We require future tense, simple future. So you have to replace that will be fined. Again passive voice. Will be stopped, ticketed, and will be fined. Or simply you can also take and fined also. That is also okay. So replace this phrase, this entire how to pay a fine with will be fined. Scarcely did I reach the airport, nervous and tense. Then the plane took off, leaving me stranded in an alien place. See? Two things happen immediately one after the other. Scarcely did I reach the airport. I just reached the airport and what happened? The plane took off, leaving me stranded in the alien place. So two actions took place immediately, one after the other. Hence, we have to follow that pair. Scarcely followed by when, not than. So replace than with when. I hope it is clear. You could be better off these days, and this enables you to have little more fun. What is the era? You could be, could plus V1, better off these days, and that enables V1, that means simple present, you to have little more fun. See, here it is in simple present. That means entire sentence should be in simple present, right? You cannot bring that could be. Here also we require a simple present. That means it's better to write you are better off these days, and this enables you to have little more fun. So more is there, so you no need to put article a. A little more is not required. Little more fun. That means more than what you had. So that is correct here. The error is with the usage of tense here. We require in present tense because it shows present. This enables you. So you are better off. In that wholesale shop, they do not sell fewer than 10 bags of rice. What is the error? But little is qualifying more, guys. So little is not giving negative sense there. Little more means more than what is there. So that is okay. We are talking about better offer. That is clear there. Look at this one. In that wholesale shop, they do not sell fewer than 10 bags of rice. What is the error here? See, we are talking about uncountable noun, rice. Hence, we require uncountable adjective. So, replace few with less. Less than 10 bags of rice. The period between 1980 to 1990 was very significant in my life. What is the error? Remember the rule between is followed by and, can be used to express time period. From is followed by to. We know very well, certain point of time to certain point of time. Here between is there. Here to is there. How can between and to have a pair? No, right? That's not the right pair. So replace between with from. From 1980 to 1990 was very significant. So it is in simple form, non-perfect tense. So from. Is that clear, guys? He is not the fastest bowler in the Indian team. Isn't he? What is the error? Question tag. I discussed yesterday how to form question tag. I told you, right? So here he is not. Sentence is negative. Question tag should be positive. But what is there here? Negative question tag. So omit that int. It should be is he. Right. 32. I went into the bank and withdrew some money. What is the error? I went into the bank and withdrew some money. I told you the difference between using of preposition in, into, to, right? So what is the error here? You do not go into something. You will go to something. Right. So replace that into with to. I went to the bank and withdrew some money. 33. I found the two first chapters of the book particularly interesting. What is the error? I found the two first chapters of the book particularly interesting. What is the error? I found, it is in simple past. Okay, what do you find? The two first chapters of the book particularly interesting. Two first. Here we have cardinal number, that is 2. Ordinal, that is first. If we use cardinals and ordinals in the same sentence, remember ordinal come first, next cardinal. So the right way of using this is first two, not two first. It should be first two. Bacon, the father of English essay, had a thirst of knowledge. What is the era? See, the right usage is thirst for, not of. Thirst for means having curiosity for learning something or to gain something. So replace thirst of with thirst for. It is a right way of saying. 36. The train had left when he had reached the station. What is the era here? I told you when two actions took place in the past. First action and second action. When two actions took place in the past. First action must be in past perfect. Second action must be in simple past. Both actions you cannot write in past perfect. Right. But what is there here? Had left when he had arrived or reached. Is it correct? No, right? So what we have to do? Omit had. The train had left when he reached the station is a correct sentence. 36. He said that he will never repeat the mistake. What is the error here? He said that he will never repeat the mistake. Said that expresses the sentence is in indirect speech or reported speech. In reported speech, will becomes would, which is not changed. So replace will with would. So that is a correction. 37. I'm able to cope up with all these difficulties. What is the error here? Quick. See, this is the most often mistaken usage. Cope either take with or up, not both. So formally we generally take cope with or cope up. You have to cope up. You should learn coping up. Okay. So here cope up all these difficulties. We are talking about things. So use with and omit up. Is that clear? I wish I'm the richest person in the whole wide world. I don't wish that much. I wish I'm the richest person, but not required whole wide. But there is error in that way of usage. See, it is just a wish, which is not true. It's wish. That means it comes under past subjunctive. Hence, we have to use were. I wish I were the richest person in the whole wide world. Is that clear? It comes under modern English, to be very clear, internet, slangy kind of thing, informal. To use wide, in fact, it is acceptable in modern English because it gives the meaning of anywhere. So that is acceptable. In fact, there is a song also, the whole wide world. There is a song on that. So it is acceptable. So yes, we can use whole world. That is also correct. Whole wide world, formal. No, it's informal. But in modern English, it is acceptable. Our error is very clearly visible to us. So that is our error. I hope it is clear, guys. You can use www. Okay. Whole wide world is acceptable. It means anywhere. Clear, guys? She is confident to win the gold medal this time. What is the error? She is confident to win the gold medal this time. What is the error? Good. Sakiran. Confident is followed by of and takes a gerund. Confident of winning is the correct usage. So replace to win, the to infinitive with of winning. We require gerund. The boy laid in the shelter for a long time before somebody came to rescue him. What is the error? The boy laid in shelter. Here I discussed this and I asked you to write the conjugation of lie, lay. Did you remember that? I gave V1, I told you to write V2 and V3, right? So here the conjugation here is lie, lied, lied, which means to tell the false statements, untrue statements. Lie, lied, lied. That's clear, right? Now look at this one. Lie means to place the body horizontally. For that, the conjugation is lay, lain. And lay means producing young ones or producing eggs, you can take. The conjugation is laid, laid. Here, the boy laid in is inappropriate to use, right? We require the V2 form of lie, not V2 form of lay. So what you have to do? Replace L-A-I-D, laid, with L-A-Y, lay. I hope it is clear. Standing at the top of the hill, the houses below are hardly visible. Standing somewhere, when you see the top of the hill, and you see the houses which are below the hill, they are hardly visible. What is the error and what should the correction? Standing at the top of the hill. Can you say that at the top of the hill? No, right? Standing on the top of the hill, on the top of something, not at the top. At some place you can say, but not at the top, right? So replace at with on. 42. Kamli is one of the players who has been selected for the test match. What is the error? Kamli is one of the players, one of the structure. Remember, one of the always take a plural noun and a singular verb. But बीच में क्या है? What is there in between? We have who. Who is a relative pronoun. Remember that? When there is a relative pronoun, the subject of the relative pronoun is its precedent. What is the precedent here? Players, which is a plural noun. Hence, the verb that comes after that relative pronoun must also be in plural. But what is there here? Has. What should be there? Have. So replace has with have. Relative pronoun concept, guys. One of the is okay. One of the players. One of the takes plural noun. But we require plural verb because here there is a relative pronoun. Here is a singular verb that expresses that one. A moment delay would have proved costly in the situation. What is the error? Here we are not talking about delay a moment. Here we have to give possession to this because we are using in the sense of possession. So a moment's delay. So add apostrophe s today to the moment. How much delay? A moment's delay, a little delay would have proved costly in the situation. Ram disappointed his mother as he did not write to her very often. What is the error? Ram disappointed his mother as he did not write to her very often. So there is no error in the sentence, hence your answer is option D. So write to, not write, it is right. Did plus V1, it is correct only, not written. It is correct. So no error. Often is adverb and we require another adverb to qualify that. So very is the adverb we have taken to qualify that. So very is an adverb of degree, often is adverb of frequency. One adverb is qualifying the other one. Question number 45. After you will return from the trip, I will come and see you. What is the era? After you will return from trip, I will come and see you. I told you very clearly you should not use two clauses in simple future. Even though that action happens in the future, main clause should be in simple future, subordinate clause should be in simple present. Hence, omit will. After you return from trip, I will come and see you. Scenes from the film had to be censored before it was released. What is the era? Scenes from the film had to be censored before it was released. You should know the difference between censure and censor. See, censure means criticize severely, whereas censor means to remove or ban. Okay, to put a ban on something. Here, what we require is not criticizing severely, it is to be censored. So often confused words. So replace censure with censor. When my sister was ill, I went to the hospital on alternative days. What is the error? What is the error in this sentence? When my sister was ill, okay, past tense, I went to the hospital, past tense, on alternative days. See here, alternative ended in IVE, which is a noun form. So that is not correct because days is a noun. We require an adjective to qualify days. Hence, the adjective to be used is alternate days. So replace alternative with alternate because we require an adjective. 48. The iconic and endangered red panda has few hunters because the younger generations of people across its Himalayan habitat are losing interest in animal products. What is the error? We can use article the before hospital when it is used in secondary purpose. Please go through articles and try to learn primary purpose and secondary purpose. We have discussed in previous classes also. See, when we use in primary purpose, we do not use article before hospital. When we use in secondary purpose, we can use article before hospital, school, college, temple, church, etc. The iconic and endangered red panda has few hunters because the younger generations of people across its Himalayan habitat are losing interest in animal products. What is the error? The error is with the usage of few, and it should not be few, it should be fewer. So you might have come across this statement, fewer birds came this year. Fewer men are working these days. In these two examples, if you identify the uses of fewer birds, fewer men, it doesn't expresses direct comparison. It expresses indirect comparison in itself. That means this year only some birds came when you compare with the previous. So the right usage is fewer hunters. I hope it is clear. Yes, fewer poachers, fewer hunters, fewer birds, fewer men, fewer students are watching, fewer students are responding, right? So that is the error. So replace few with fewer. I hope it is clear. 49. No porter being available, he carried all his luggage himself. No porter being available, he carried all his luggage himself. What is the error and what should be the correction? See here, the usage of himself is inappropriate. How can you carry yourself? You're carrying your luggage, that is okay. Will you carry yourself? It is inappropriate, right? We don't require reflexive pronoun here. You can make it an emphatic pronoun and say he himself carried all his luggage. That is okay. But you cannot carry yourself. You can carry others, but not yourself, right? So that is an error. So omit that himself. 50. He will not be able to cope up with the pressure of work. We have seen such kind of example previously too, right? He will not be able to cope up with. No. You either use cope up or cope with. You cannot use both. And here we are talking again of the things. So the right usage is cope with. So omit this up. Right? Lasers are indispensable tools for the delicate eye surgery. What is the error? Here, surgery is a noun, right? Surgery is a noun, and we require an adjective to qualify that surgery, and adjective will not have plural. So, what we have to do? Omit that. Yes. So, it should be eye surgery, not eye surgery. Is that clear? I take great pleasure to welcome you to this institution. What is the error? I take great pleasure to welcome you to this institution. What is the error and what should be the correction? So I take, correct. To welcome, pleasure, 2 plus infinitive, 2 plus V1, to infinitive. Welcome you to this institution. Welcome to some place, right? That is clear only. So I take great pleasure has no wrong in that. So there is no error. So the answer is option D, no error. 53. The whole country was suffering by a financial crisis. What is the error? The whole country, singular, so was suffering. Suffering never takes another preposition other than from. So suffering is always followed by from. So replace by with from. Right? I do not know where could he have gone so early in the morning. What is there and what should the correction? So already I told you yesterday the difference between the structures of assertive sentence and interrogative sentence, right? If you look at this, I do not know. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb. Okay, next object. Where could he? Here, auxiliary verb is there first, next subject. But this is not the question. Hence, what should be there first? First, we require subject, next auxiliary verb. Hence, replace the position where he could have gone. Because it is not a question, it is assertive form. If it is a question, auxiliary verb, subject, next main verb you can follow it with. So where he could have gone. I suggest that he goes to the doctor as soon as he returns from the examination. What is the error? I suggested. Remember, when suggestion is involved, that suggestion takes an imperative form. Remember this. Whenever you find a suggestion, that suggestion is followed by imperative form because it suggests an imperation. Okay, imperative sentence. So I suggest that. What he suggests? He goes. Grammatically, he goes is correct, but it is imperative form. So it should not be goes. It should be he go. Or if you go with very clear form of suggestion like emphasis, you can use should. You can say he should go. Do you understand that? Whenever there is a suggestion, when suggestion is involved, it takes imperative form. I suggest that. What is suggest? He go to the doctor, or if you want to make it more emphatic, he should go to the doctor. I hope it is clear. The introduction of tea and coffee and such other beverages have not been without some effect. What is the era? The introduction of tea, coffee, and some other beverages have not been without some effect. The subject is introduction, which is singular. That means we require a singular verb. But what is there here? Have, which is plural. So replace have with has. 57. In spite of the roadblock, the gods allowed us enter the restricted area to search for our friends. What is the era? In spite of, okay, correct, the road was blocked. And what happened? The gods allowed us enter the restricted area. Remember, allow is followed by to infinitive, not bare infinitive. But here, enter only there. Where is to? So, place to before enter, to enter. The new type of automatic machines washes the clothes faster. What is the era? What is the subject here? The new type of automatic machines. Singular or plural? Automatic machines, the new type, it's plural. Washes is singular. We require a plural verb. Hence, replace washes with wash. As subject is plural, we require a plural verb. Which washes? Automatic machine, not new type, right? By the time we got our tickets and entered the cinema theater, the show was already begun. What is the era? By the time we got our tickets, past tense, and entered the cinema, past tense, theater, the show was already begun. Action has already taken place, but was already begun. Are we talking in passive? No, right? Active. So replace was with had. The show had already begun. Had plus V3. Next, question number 60. Each of the students in the computer class has to type their own research paper this semester. It's not this semester, it should be this semester. That is a typo though. So whatever that is a typo, not semester, it is semester you can take. That would be more meaningful. Each of the students in the computer class has to type their own research paper. What is the error? So here sentence begin with each, which is a distributive pronoun or distributive adjective, which means one at a time. The word distribute means one at a time. So subject is singular. When subject is singular, verb must be singular. So has verb is singular, correct. When verb is singular, the pronoun must be singular. But here the pronoun here is there. It should be replaced by his. So that is a error. The fact of me being a stranger does not cause his conduct. What is the error? The fact of me being a stranger does not cause his conduct. What is the error? What should be the correction? The fact of. Me being a stranger. Being. Gerund. The precedent should be in possessive form. So not me being, it should be my being a stranger. Guys, even though gender neutrality, you cannot take there. There is a plural one. So when you do not know gender, whether it is male or female, it always advisable to use he, his, because it doesn't mean that only a male. It also gives the meaning of female too. When there is no gender sense, use only he or his. Right? Question number 62. The sea looks as if it had been agitated by a storm. What is the error? See, we have here clue word as if, which expresses adverb clause of manner. That means the next form should be in imaginative. That means we must use past subjunctive. Hence, we require to place had instead of has. So we have the rule that even there is a saying, to work is the manner of male. It doesn't mean male, it is human. Human means not just man, it means women also, right? So in that sense we have to take. Okay. A variety of pleasant items in the shop attract everybody. What is the error here? Right, look at this one. A variety of pleasant items in the shop attract everybody. So a variety of, here I have to teach you mathematics also. 100 minus 63 is equal to 37, not 47. Anyway, look at this. A variety of pleasant items. Is it singular or plural? It is considered singular. Hence, we require singular verb. So it should be attracts. The table's legs have been elaborately carved. Guys, remember, we give possession by adding apostrophe s only to living beings. This is rule number 1 in usage 1 we have learned already. In possession, remember, we generally give possession by adding apostrophe s only to living beings. For non-living beings, we cannot give possession by adding apostrophe s. However, there are exceptions which we have discussed in other rules. Hence, for non-living beings like the table and all, we cannot use apostrophe s. That is inappropriate. Then how to? We have to use possessive pronoun of, and we can write it like this. The legs of the table. The legs of the table, not the table's leg. Is that clear, guys? We cannot say table's legs. Table is non-living being. In the same way, you generally use mobile's charger. Where is my mobile's charger? Where is my laptop charger? Do they have life? No, right? So you are doing, not mistake, blunder. It should be charger of my mobile, charger of my laptop. Is that clear, guys? 65. The sceneries of Kashmir is very charming. What is the error? What should be the correction? See, we discussed uncountable nouns and all. There is no word like sceneries. It is incorrect. It should be always scenery because uncountable. Uncountable nouns do not have plurals. So it is scenery. The scenery of Kashmir is very charming. I hope it is clear. I would appreciate if readers would write to me about how they meditate. What is the error here? See, again it is in if clause. So the sentence is if clause. So would appreciate, would plus V1. Would plus V1. That means it should be if plus simple past. But is it in simple past there? No, right? What is there? Would plus V1 is there. It is inappropriate. So replace it with wrote, V2 form, simple past. 67. Neither of the two children said their prayer before going to bed. See, either, neither, right? So either means what? How many people we are referring? Either means one of two. Neither means zero of two. Hence, either expresses singular. Neither also expresses singular. Whenever we are using the verbs, remember, we have to use singular verbs. Of course, either is positive, neither is negative. So what is the correction here? Neither of the two children said. It is in past tense. Then how can you go with their prayer? It should be his prayer. I hope it is clear, guys. Right? 68. I sat down opposite him and produced the packet of cigarettes. What is the error? I sat down opposite him. Sat down, past tense, opposite him. Okay, correct. And produced, V2, the packet of cigarettes. How can you produce by sitting down? It is not a production unit you are producing, right? Opposite to is inappropriate, guys. Opposite to is not required. Opposite him. It is opposite. Him is okay, not required to. The error is with the usage of produce. You cannot produce. What you can do is, you can offer. So, and offered him. Not produced. You will not produce, right? Can you produce that? Right. Next, question number 69. 4 persons were doused in petrol and set on fire on Sunday in Noka town by 8 miscreants. Happened in Bihar. So you know it is in news. What about the error? What is the error here? The error is with the usage of preposition in here. It is inappropriate. We douse with. That means drenched, become wet with some liquid. So doused is followed by with, not in. So replace in with with. Douse with means drench in a liquid. Next, question number 70. Ramesh smiled when he was remembering his hard early years and his long road to success. What is the error? Ramesh smiled when he was remembering his hard early years and his long road to success. Remember, you cannot use some verbs in continuous form. Remember is one of them. Thought process. So, was remembering is inappropriate to use. As it is in simple, as it is in past continuous, go with simple past. So replace it with remembered. Right? Good heavens, how has she grown? What is the error here? Good heavens, how has she grown? What is the error? Remember the structure we discussed before? Assertive sentences structure is different from interrogative sentences. Are they, this one, is it an interrogative? How has she grown? Are we questioning someone? No, it is an assertive. Good heavens. Of course, it is a phrase expressing some surprise, right? But after that, it is followed by assertive form, not interrogative form. Hence, what you have to do? Bring this subject before the verb. How she has grown. Now has she. Is that clear? The doctor advised Mr. Murugan that Because of his severe cramps, he should lay in bed for a few days. What is the error? Of course, Arun, we have V4 form for smile. The doctor advised Mr. Murugan that because of his severe cramps, he should lay in the bed for a few days. Advised. It expresses it is in past tense. Mr. Murugan, that what he advised, because of his severe cramps, he should, modal auxiliary. After that, what we require? V1. And lay is not V1 for lie. He has to take rest. So replace lay with lie. Conjugation I already given. Question number 73. He is a university professor, but of his 3 sons, neither has any merit. What is the error? He is a university professor, but of his 3 sons, neither has any merit. What is the error and what should be the correction? How many sons? 3 sons. I told you neither is used for 2 to give the sense of 0 of 2 and used in negative sense, right? But here we have 3 more than 2 and hence we cannot use neither. In that place we use none, because none is used for more than 2 to indicate 0 of many in negative sense. Hence what we have to do? Replace neither with none. Question number 74. After knowing truth, they took the right decision in the matter. After knowing truth, they took the right decision in the matter. What is the error and what should be the correction? Can you use knowing in ing form in the same meaning? Verb of thought process. You cannot use ing form, right? You cannot go with knowing. It is inappropriate. After follows V4 I told, obviously. But here knowing cannot be used in continuous form. You can say after discovering, after learning the truth. That is okay. But that is not appropriate. So we have to change that. How can we change? I told you having plus V3. So having known the truth is okay, because having plus V3 and after plus V4 have same sense. So replace after knowing with having known. I hope it is clear. It's time you decide on your next course of action. What is the error? It's time you decided on your next course of action. Is the right answer. As I give the answer. See, it should be in V2, that is decided. Why? Remember, in the chapter subject verb agreement, we have discussed this one. If a sentence begins with it's time, it's right time, it's quiet time, it's high time, it's about time, etc. Remember, in such cases, the next clause must be in simple past tense only, not in other tense. Hence, replace decide with decided. Clear? He who has suffered the most for the cause, let him speak. It seems absurd even to read. There is some error, obviously. So what is the error and what should be the correction? He who has suffered the most for the cause. See, I told you relative pronoun. Whenever the relative pronoun is there, remember relative pronoun gives additional information to the noun or pronoun that comes before it. He who has suffered the most for the cause. This is the additional information. Then next should start with a verb, right? Isn't it? But let him speak. It's imperative. So it should be replaced with he should be allowed to speak. Simply, I made this let him speak into the actual form. The passive form should be allowed to speak. So replace let him speak with should be allowed to speak. A cup of coffee is an excellent compliment to smoked salmon. What is the error? A cup of coffee is an excellent compliment to smoked salmon. It is salmon. L is silent. A cup of coffee is an excellent compliment. You know the meaning of compliment, right? To smoked salmon. What is the error and what should be the correction? A cup of coffee, singular, so is an excellent compliment, all right, to smoked salmon. So there is no correction. The answer is no error. You should know the difference between compliment and compliment. See, the difference is with E and I. Compliment is giving praise, right? That is compliment. Whereas COMPLEMENT, compliment means that which completes. Is that clear? So that is correct only. Judge in him prevailed upon the father and he sentenced his son to death. What is the error? Judge in him prevailed upon the father and he sentenced his son to death. He is a judge and there is his son in the court. He was charged and he is culprit. He was proved. Okay, convinced. They become accused, became convict. He is a convict. Now what happened? He prevailed. He sentenced his son to death, but father cannot do that. That means what happened? The judge in him, not simple judge. Here their father, right? Here we are emphasizing the judge in him prevailed upon the father and he sentenced his son to death. Is that clear, guys? 9/10 of the pillar have rotten away. What is the error? 9/10 of the pillar. Is it singular or plural? Depends upon what is the noun here. One pillar only, no? So it is singular. So we require singular verb. So replace have with has. Has rotten away. 80. One major reason for the popularity of television is that most people like to stay at home. One major reason, singular, for the popularity of television. So singular verb is what? That most people like to stay at home. It is correct as it is. So no error. Stay at home or stay home, as you can say. Our efforts are aimed to bring about a reconciliation. What is the error here? Aimed is not followed by to. Aimed is followed by preposition at and takes a gerund. So aimed at bringing about. So replace aim to bring to aimed at bringing about. At plus gerund. 82. Three conditions critical for growing plants are. Three conditions we are talking. Three conditions critical for growing plants are: 1. Soil. 2. Temperature. 3. Chemical balance or amount of moisture. What is the error? See, the error is with the here. Soil is first one. Second one, temperature. We are talking about 3. Then here we require to use conjunction and, right? And chemical balance or amount of moisture. for sure, because here we have or, here we require and, because third one, this one or that one is a third one. But if you do not use that expresses for everything, right? So it is appropriate to use a conjunction here. If I had lots of money, I would give some to anybody who asked for it. If clause again. If I had lots of money. If plus subject plus had. Had means it is not in auxiliary had. It is a main verb. There is no other verb. Had is a V2 form. Plus object. That means it is in simple past. That simple past must be followed by would plus V1. I would give. So it is correct. Some to anybody who asked for it, money. So it is correct. No error. Yes, we can use lots of money. It is not a error. 84. The old man felled some of the trees in the garden with hardly no effort at all. What is the error? You can answer it very easily, right? See, here the old man felled some of the trees in the garden with hardly no. Hardly itself is a negative. Again, writing negative, double negative becomes positive, because we know plus plus is equal to plus, minus minus is equal to plus only, but we don't require positive there, we require negative. So we have to omit this not and replace it with any. Hardly any effort at all. Yesterday in our last class I told you any is in negative sentence, some is in positive sentence. Until the world lasts, the earth will go round the sun. What is the error? Until the world lasts. So world is singular, so lasts. Okay. The earth will go round the sun. You know the meaning of until, right? Till that point of time. So what is the error here? Until the world lasts, up to the time the earth will go round the sun. So it is correct. So the answer is no error. Option 4. Question number 86. I go to the temple as often as I find time. What is the error? I go to the temple as often as I find time. What is the error? I go to the temple. Are you specifying here? Here I go to temple. That is the primary purpose. Going to temple is the primary purpose. So we cannot use articles before temple, school, college, church, etc. when they are used in primary purpose. In secondary purpose we can use. So what we have to do? Omit article the. Take screenshot. A few tiles on Skylab were the only equipments that failed to perform well in outer space. What is the error? I told you very clearly, for uncountable noun, we cannot have a plural form. So, it is inappropriate to use yes. It is equipment, not equipments. Guys, primary purpose, secondary purpose, you should have clarity, guys. I don't want to lose it. What is the error? You should know the difference between LOOSE lose and LOSE lose. Here we are not talking about lose. Lose means what? Something which is not tight. We are talking about losing something. So what we have to do? Replace lose with LOSE, loss of something. Understand that? Do not get panicked in emergencies. What is the error? Do not get panicked in emergencies. What is the error here? Do not get panicked in emergencies. It is inappropriate to use panicked here. Of course, we require an adjective, but there is an adjective form for panic. That is Panicky is a adjective. So you don't need to use V3 to make it adjective. So replace panic with panicky. And it is appropriate to use emergencies. It is correct only. We are not specifying one more. Take screenshot. Not panic, panicky. Question number 90. Sometimes I get angry on her. What is the error? I told you very clearly what are the prepositions that are followed by angry. Three prepositions I have given you. Angry at, angry with, angry for. So here, sometimes I get angry dash her. What is that? Her is a person. If it is a person, we can never use on, at, with and for. So person means we have to use with. Angry with her, not on. I used to get out to work earlier. What is the error? I used to get out to work earlier. When you're talking about past discontinued actions or habits, when you're talking about past habits or past discontinued actions, we have to use to. I used to. Used to is a modal auxiliary which expresses past actions or habits. See, Supriya, already I told you, angry at things, angry with the persons, angry for cause. Angry at things, with the persons, for cause. Please refer to preposition chapter. I have talked more about that. The teacher has took the responsibility. What is the error? The teacher has took the responsibility. For cause, at for things, with for persons. That should be with anger. Now look at this one. The teacher has took the responsibility. It is so absurd to take V2 after has. Has plus V3. So V3 of take is taken. So replace took with taken. He walks as if the earth belongs to him. What is the error? He walks as if again, as if is unreal, imaginative, adverbial clause of manner. So we require to use subjunctive, past subjunctive. Hence, it should be V2. As if the earth belonged to him. Is it clear? The clerk was not intimidated by his boss bullying. What is the error here? The clerk singular, so was past tense singular, not intimidated, okay, by, fine, his boss bullying. So here there is no error. So the answer is option 4. This misogynist hates all mother-in-laws, lady doctors and housemaids. What is the error? Error is with the pluralization of compound noun. So what it should be? Mothers-in-law, not mother-in-laws. Mothers-in-law. So replace mother-in-laws with mothers-in-law. 96. How to solve the problems is the main concern of the organizers at the moment. What is the error here? Here it is inappropriate to use article the before problems in this context. So omit the. We are not specifying that. The main concern of the organizers at the moment is how to solve problems, not the problems. Yes, Dinesh, you're right. So omit the. We requested the watchman to clean up the basement so that the children might have enough space to play. What is the error? So we are talking about watchman. See, for watchman, we generally do not give request. For watchman, what do? You do not request watchman. You either order or asked. You either order him because he is your subordinate and you are the boss, or you ask him to do some work. So not requested. So replace requested with ordered or asked. Is that clear? Last night I dreamed I was a sheikh on the 169th floor of the Burj Khalifa. Last night indicates past. Then we require past form. Dream is V1, but we require V2. So it should be dreamt. I dreamt I was a sheikh on the 169th floor of Burj Khalifa. What a great dream you got, right? 99. As soon as the lion saw the deer, he began to run after it. What is the era? As soon as, all right, as dash as structure, positive degree, soon. The line particular saw past tense the deer. So particular line saw particular deer. That is also correct. He began, as it is in past tense, here also past tense V2. That is also correct. To run after it. So entire sentence is correct. Your answer is no error. It is correct absolutely. Guys, it is okay to use he in the speakers or the writer's perspective. We can use, sometimes the writer or speaker can go with the uses of masculine or feminine, so he is okay. The police asked us about our movements on a night of the crime. What is the era here? Here we are talking about particular night, not one night. So the night of the crime. So the police asked us about our movements on which night? One night? No, particular. Which night? The night of the crime. So what you have to do? Replace a with article the. Particularize. So article the. We never use in before night. Here particularizing that particular time. So on night. Before night we generally use at night. But here we are specifying the time. So that time. So that on should come on night. So guys, that's about our today's session on spotting errors. Right. Have a nice time. Bye bye.